guys, let's just unpack Nancy Ndabaga Gogo Manzini. Hey, I've been avoiding it, but I'm just like, I can't avoid it because also her videos used to just pop out on my things and be like, something yake in Jan. Actually, it was in December where she was saying, Yabon cleanser was in for Jan, they're gonna go to Mpumalanga, 150,000 guys. I was just like, this lady, guys, her prices are just ridiculous. I mean, so now, there's this guy who does like in church rallies or something like that. She went to go to ETV, and then ETV but busy, they forcing us by they just putting umgoma in our faces. I'm like, wow. Because my thing is that you know me how I am when it comes to this channel. I've always believed. That's why normally I don't do too much politics. I also don't do too much religions, abantu and all of that, because I respect those things a lot. If you've been watching the Mummy Club, how I supported Usli, how I supported maybe Kuluma even on the Mummy Club, plus the Real Housewives of Durban, Usli, when she was talking about them, loses and Amy, you remember. I respect people's things, guys. You don't even know the dynamics. Stick to what you believe in, and if it works for you. This thing worked for her, and she had people who believed in her. So when you can't come and just trash her, like, and say stuff about it. It's not right, guys. So I was just like in Jamie Nabanda, my condolences to family, because guys, the Indo Dayake even made a statement, you know what? And the Bekuluma Indo Dayake Manzini, she was. So this guy who was still telling you about a good reality check, whatever, church, reality check, he was just saying good. He was going to have ETV, and then she did some ritual there. Guys, Dr. Manzini can do whatever she wants. And my thing is that she's one of those people who I just believe have lived. She was still young, but Gogo Manzini lived her life. And she was just like so vocal about a lot of things, whether you believe in her or you don't, she didn't care. Gogo Manzini, may her soul rest in eternal peace. And then that's why ihambile futhi lapha ko ETV ukhuluma ngokuthi igama lalento yakhe ithatha lento. Angithi the whole thing yokuthi isithwalo ini. Guys, azini guys. Our beliefs are not the same. Asabi ngokufana. I mean, that's just my thing. More believe ukuthi leyo nto ezokusebenzela, please. Someone has just said, I'm his best friend has just died. I didn't know their friendship, guys. I'm not going to fagaza anything. I just saw that now passing. They have friends? Like when? But I'm just like, because say, I mean, I come like I said, they were like, is this that things that you are doing? You are busy with people or labantu ngoba ngithi le podcast yakho bese busy nje nabantu ababonayo, your spiritual healers, sangomas and all of that, you know. So people are like, asazi sis. Ungazi uzokhala la kuthini ngoba guys abantu they will do other things to you. Ujojo has broken silence, guys, after Unongo said she is living in Real Housewives of Durban, so she's like, hey, she's not Nongo's property. But I had said, guys, the friendship is not real. Yes, guys, we are born a friendship. It's like genuine. You can tell this is not one-sided, you know. But you see these two, you could see, and I mean, I've said it for 2 years straight. You could see there is no way it can last this relationship, and there were very rumors good to these cracks in the relationship between them. They're not just seeing eye to eye. They just like, no. So you are more of just as much as good Betty. She's breaking her silence about Nongo living Real Housewives of Durban, but she's not really saying much around what's going on. And you remember when they're doing pottery with Londo London was just telling her, Jojo, you need to have a voice. You need to have a backbone. You can't just be always sucking up, you know, in a way. I mean, I'm gonna put it that way, sucking up to Usisilo. ukuyibona leyo nto leyo uNonku. You need to, ngoba uNonku obviously, I mean, she's been dominating in this relationship. Uzobe ethi ebantwini, hey wena njengomyeni, when it came to swim kaJojo, that's into beautiful pool kaJojo, wathi hayibona ufike kanjani la nangazi uJojo umngani wami, like uyamhoga, like and make her, like, you know, those type of friends who are just like ngumngani wakho kuphela, can't have other friends, I mean, crazy things like that. So I'm just like, why? You know? So-ke nje uyasho uJojo ukuthi hayi no, mina phela ngiyona property yakhe, it's not like she's a boss of me, you know, things like that. But I had said ukuthi le relationship going forward nje in 10 years, 15 years, you can't see it like that. Ngoba kuno-forced situation going on between those two. So ikanjalo-ke indaba yabo-ke uJojo-ke uthi hayi phela kangi-own. Just imagine, I'm just like, how was thina besibuka sengazi ukuthi wena awenzi next unless Nonku says so, or unless Nonku tells you, you know.